Hello and welcome to another episode of the Construction Corner podcast. I'm Dylan, I'm your host, and today, guys, we have a great episode for you. I'm going to be talking about design build. What is design build? I get this question ever so often, really for owners, even some other electrical contractors that are trying to get into the whole design build arena. And a lot of it really comes down to design build is we are going into a project with you. And so for a lot of electrical contractors that are new to the whole design build arena, some of it we're not going to be able to always help you with, but what we are going to be able to help you with is putting gear sizes together, how many panels you need, what those panel schedules may or may not look like, how big are the panels, right? Is it a 1200 amp panel with 42 circuit breakers in it? Is it 400 amp 208 panel and it's a two tub with 96 circuits or 156 circuits in it, right? What are we really looking at, and at what scale are we looking at? But to give you some gear sizing, a one-line diagram to figure out kind of the bigger pieces for it, help you with a lighting package and what those layouts would look like, the cost, count, quantities, dealing with some of our lighting partners, and then that gives you gear, lighting, and then really the rest of it you'll have to take off on a square footage basis or however you're going to do those numbers for general receptacles, pipe, wire, lighting, labor, those pieces, right? We can give you a hard goods cost for lighting or help hook you up with the guys to do the hard goods for what the fixtures cost themselves, but it's on you to put in the numbers for labor, for pipe, wire, installation, receptacle cost, all that kind of same on the gear, right? To give you a gear size, those pieces, and then we put a one line together so you can actually go hard bid it with your equipment suppliers, and then you can do the rest. Right. That is on you guys, to the contractor, to figure out. But from a design build standpoint, now you're going to have hard costs. You're going to have on a gear and lighting basis, which allows you to put a number together. And then all of this, because it's done on the upfront of a project. And again, this is going to be on some of your more complicated projects, some of your bigger projects, like for a small little office TI, really that is going to be, then we'll give you an engineering number. We'll say, hey, we're going to add panels or whatever. We're going to give you a rough panel count. We're going to tie it into the existing service and distribution for the office space. And there we go. Like, that's a straightforward type of bid and project, but we're going to give you an engineering number to do the TI, what we would think of for adding equipment, or we're just going to use the existing panels that they have, if it's metered correctly, for the existing space. So then it's just an engineering proposal, and then we go through it with you to help make sure that the selections that you made and the bid that you put in for what it would cost you to do it, we're going to be in line with all of that, right? Use the light fixtures that you want to use the gear that you want to use, and go from there, right? Like, I don't care what gear that you use, whether it's Square D, Eaton, GE, Siemens, ABB, does not matter to me. Whatever you're able to get and the timelines you're able to get it, that works for us. Design build is really helping to facilitate and allow the contractor, you guys, to make better decisions around the equipment and gear that you're going to use, help meet timelines. We basically then take out the whole submittal process, right? Like, you still need those submittals. We'll still review them, and they're going to go to the, general contractor or owner for the project, but we're not going to go through the whole submittal phase of approved, denied. Like, we'll kind of do that, but typically very, very early in the project, so that things are accepted, rejected, reconfigured, right? Make sure your supplier put in the right information in their submittal, and we get the right stuff showing up to the job site. So we'll still help you through that whole process. We're just going to take out the time for it, and we're going to deal directly, right? It's not going to go through the general contractor and back. It's you and I, or, the team at Vertical, and you guys are going to go back and forth on those submittals, that review process, so that we're able to make decisions faster, get you what you need quicker, and get you on your merry way, right? Like, you make money when the project is being built, right? When things are work in place, that's when you guys get paid. So let's get there faster. That's all design build is, right? We're going to help do drawings and give you all the things that you want on a set of drawings, dimensions, details, BIM and 3D modeling. Like, we provide all of that. We'll do turnkey arc flash studies, like everything that you guys need to ultimately deliver a project faster. We have a lot of in-house tools that help us do a lot of this and really allows you to move just so much faster through your projects. But that is design build in a nutshell, helping you procure, purchase, and design projects faster with the equipment and products that you want to use. And that is this episode of the Construction Corner podcast. Until next time.